What is going on, guys? So today I'm waiting for delivery on my wrecked 2015 Mercedes C300 with front end damage that I bought from the Copart for the only 9,600 bucks.
Yeah, I've been broke, felt so low, but when I talk to the future me, I just had a conversation with the future me. He said, die out of your ego, he was shooting me. Down, conversation felt so unusually profound. He said, no man cries at his own eulogy. Oh, wow, I should break out of the cynical compounds and it turns into residual. Then I thought that was sometime I've been a culprit.
So right now we are going to disassemble the damaged parts to remove the fender, the hood, and radiator supports and all this stuff to see the damage, the parts we need to order. And let's keep going.
Then I thought that this whole time I've been a culprit, but I chose to brush him off like he an old head. Remember when we was just steady growing up? Felt like time was froze or it was slowing up. Was we in a wormhole or just not old enough? Or was it mind control to keep us sorta stuck? Enable us to get faded to make us sober up. What? OVO became so old to us. Yeah, fairy tales that did very well. The road to comparison is how you get very ill. Not so, growth been slow, but I still ended up where I wanna go, man, I did it. Yeah, I've been broke, felt so low, but when I talk to the future me, I listen. Yeah, God came down and gave me all the facts. God came down and gave me all the facts. God came down and gave me all the facts. So when I talk to the future me, I was looking for the very things that I already had up in my possession. It didn't make no sense for me to spend so much of my time stressing, and the information that I needed I already had. Why was I already mad? Cause I was never replying that. So he hit me with the facts though. I was cooking, but afraid to release what they asked for. I was shooken, it was like my soul was kidnapped all up in that. Mine was tooken, and the point that he was making, it was my time to book it. I know rookie, I know hooky, I know play. I've been looking, but they keep looking away. I've been climbing, I've been grinding, I ain't got no time to play. When you're in tune with the future, it don't matter what the time of day is, and if they give it to you, all things be delivered to you, given to you. Heavenly realms available still and living through you. I've been living with the fact that these ideas are not abstract. When you got vision, you get laughed at, but it's okay, we on a fast track like growth been slow, but I still ended up where I wanna go, man, I did it. Yeah, I've been broke, felt so low, but when I talk to the future me, I listen. Growth been slow, but I still ended up where I wanna go, man, I did it. Yeah, I've been broke, felt so low, but when I talk to the future me, I listen. Yeah, God came down and gave me all the facts. God came down and gave me all the facts. God came down and gave me all the facts. So when I talk to the future me, I listen. Yeah, God came down and gave me all the facts. God came down and gave me all the facts. God came down and gave me all the facts. So when I talk to the future me, I listen.
So the coolant reservoir is broken and we had to order the new one from the dealer. It was like 70 bucks for this one, and we're gonna install this right now. So right now we're gonna use this heat gun to heat the part where the coolant reservoir is going to make it this aluminum straight. Let's keep going.
Determined to rise, the competitive nature of man took over. He began to believe that those who weren't for him had to be against him. He wasn't afraid to burn a few bridges or make a few rash decisions to get to where he wanted to go. But perhaps he had it backwards.
Story of a man who never knew of everything that I can do. My whole life been feeling like a gamble. This mic is the only thing I know I can handle. I know it, I know I can ramble, but I'm really trying to blow like Commando. But I'm really trying to go for the goal, for the soul, for the road. Let's travel and dismantle these other rappers, these other rappers. These other rappers are feces. In comparison, it's embarrassing. It's like I found my whole nother species. Your flow awkward, like real awkward. That weirdo posture, no try offense, no rock sign, no field doctrine. Not well mannered, but real proper. If you don't get it, then it's not for you. But don't go act like it's not the truth. Ain't got time to wait for it's on its opportune. Invest now, watch what the profit do. No insects in my index, only my crew could be better than me. Hit a magnify, so you other guys, I suggest that you get ready to leave. It's about about that time. It's about that time. You late, well it's not new. Come and see what we finna do. It's about that time. It's about that time. You late, well it's not new. Did you get it? I arrive revitalized. You can't fault me, so you salty. Not of this earth so iodized. I don't know much, but I know such guys shouldn't be idolized. When you're grown up, you can go nuts in a prison system that's privatized. I don't know, but you should slow up. Hold up. I don't really care if they listen to me. I'm lying, but I signed up for the music not to be a politician. Feel more like a visionary. Feel more like a rap snob. This might be my last shot, but I own the whole team in the stadium we in. I don't play with no mascots. Dream on my sleeve, heart in my chest. I have been free, you can pardon the rest. I have been me, you can't alter the best. As I'm breaking your spleen and you fall to the test. I'm a battle MC, caught in the west. Inside of me, look, I cannot help it, cause I have not felt it. Sociopath dismantling limbs until there's no cartilage left. It's about that time. It's about that time. You late, well it's not new. Come and see what we finna do. It's about that time. It's about that time. You late, well it's not new. Did you get it? It's about that time. It's about that time. You late, well it's not new. Come and see what we finna do. It's about that time. It's about that time. You late, well it's not new. You get it? Hear he. Gather round here to hearing clearly. See the crown from ear to ear weave. Miss so much, the king is dearly beloved. I love it, that's not the half-truth. Speaking in third person as I pass through. Only the arrogant do that. Did I ask you? You so embarrassing. Young man, did I ask you? No? Shut your trap then. Me and the homie Curtis was skiing in Aspen when you was on the verge of being a has-been. So perhaps you should watch how you speak on the past tense. It's about that time. It's about that time. You late, well it's not new. Come and see what we finna do. It's about that time. It's about that time. You late, well it's not new. Did you get it? It's about that time. It's about that time. You late, well it's not new. Come and see what we finna do. It's about that time. It's about that time. You late, well it's not new. You get it?
It's like clockwork. That clockwork is that clockwork. Clockwork. It's like clockwork. Is that clockwork? That clockwork.
So that's it for now for this video. We disassembled the all front end. We are going to remove the old airbags in the interior in the next episode. We need to order a bunch of parts like front upper radiators, support, fenders, hood, everything, bunch of parts, and we'll be waiting for this. And thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.